Hello students, the second program of SSOS Lab. Develop, implement and execute the program AR tools. Recognize all the strings ending with the preceded by the NAs using the grammar A raised to N B. Nothing but you can take the N number of the A's. It should be end with a single string B. So then this is grammar is valid. Otherwise, suppose if I taken the n number of the A's and n number of the B's, so you will get the invalid message. This program contains the two parts. The first one is lex part and yak part. So in the lex part, so it contain actually lex contain the three main sections: definition section, rule section, and user defined subroutine section. So first one is the here we are using the only the two sections because this is a combination of the lex and yak. So the main part comes in the yak part. So in the lex part we are using the two parts. First one the definition section and the second one is the rule section. So definition section, so just I am using the y dot tab dot h. So here y dot tab dot h, this is nothing but header file that will be generated some parsers. So and the rule section, so it to start and end due to the delimiters. This is the mandatory. Suppose if you are not using the delimiters, you will get the errors, and then after you can initialize the some tokens. So A and B, just you can take the tokens because in the question we are using the two strings, the A string and B string. So just you can initialize the two tokens A and B and returns the same the way A values and B values. And in yak part, so here it contains three sections: definition section, this is the rule section, and this is rule section, this is the definition section, this is rule section, this is subroutine and code section. In definition section, normally we are using the header file standard input output dot h and standard library dot h. So normally we are using C. And next, just you can initialize the tokens whatever if you are taken in the legs. So token A and B already have taken there, the initialize in the legs part. Same, just you can take the token A and B. Okay, then nothing but this is the alphabetic language of A and B. And next, just you can take the one grammar. So here this one, so this is nothing but A S colon AS1 B slash B, nothing but this is a production rule for the grammar. So you can take the any grammar here. If it is grammar, you should take the grammar like that. So it should be an A raised to N B. So you can take the n number of the A and it should be end with the single B. So here the program checks whether the given string is a part of the language, the A raised to N or not. It will be checking here. So just you can check here A S1 B is there. Okay, AS1 is there. S1 is nothing but AS1. So once again AS1 B. So once again check A A S1 B. Like that it will be continue till n number, but it should be end with the single B. So this is the valid grammar. Suppose it is valid, then directly it will be display the successful grammar, automatically it will be exits. Otherwise directly it will be print the error messages, nothing but the int yy error. So in the main section, just you can enter the string, right? Enter any string. If then The YY pass means it is start the execution. If the given grammar is correct, means whatever if I taken the grammar that is correct, it should be an A raised to n B, then it will be shows a successful grammar. Otherwise, if you are getting A B B like that, automatically it will be displaying the some error messages. Open the terminal. After opening the terminal, just type gedit your file name .l extension. After typing, so the dialog box will be open. Write the code and save. This is a lex part. Once again, you can use a gedit file name, whatever if I go in file name .y. Then once again write the code, the yak part code, then save it and close it. Then you can use the lex file name .l. Later you can use the yak -d file name .y, yak -d file name .y. Then you can use the cc. After using that one, cc lex.yy.c.y.tab.c-ll. So this is a compilation of the both lex and yak. Then later you can use the ./a.out. This is a common for executing the any programming language. Then later it will be displayed enter a string. Then you can enter any string. So I am entering A and B. After entering, it show the successful grammar. So suppose if I enter A and B, this shows the